Welcome to a world of sparkle and glamour that's about to elevate your makeup game. The Glitter and Glam Makeup Tutorial. In this comprehensive guide, we're diving into the art of creating a dazzling and captivating makeup look that's perfect for special occasions, nights out, or any time you want to add a touch of magic to your appearance. Whether you're a makeup aficionado looking to master the art of glitz or someone who loves experimenting with bold and dramatic looks, this video is your ultimate guide to achieving a stunning glitter and glam makeup style with confidence and flair. The Glitter and Glam Makeup Tutorial is a celebration of makeup's transformative power as a means of self-expression. It's a journey through techniques and product choices that empower you to create a mesmerizing and radiant makeup look that's worthy of the spotlight. Within this guide, we'll reveal the secrets behind flawless skin preparation, precise glitter application, and strategic placement of shimmer to achieve a glamorous and eye-catching effect. At the core of this tutorial lies the art of blending shimmer and shine with elegance. We'll delve into the world of glitter application, exploring how to choose the right shades and sizes to suit your style and occasion. By mastering techniques like adhesive application, blending, and contouring, we'll show you how to create a look that's not only glittering but also cohesive and balanced. Techniques take center stage in the Glitter and Glam Makeup Tutorial. We'll guide you through a step-by-step journey of application mastery. With precision and expertise, we'll uncover the power of layering, gradient blending, and precise placement that combine to create a captivating and show-stopping appearance. Whether you're aiming for a subtle sparkle or full-on drama, each technique equips you with the skills to transform your makeup routine into a glittering masterpiece. However, this tutorial is more than just a makeup lesson. It's about embracing your inner diva and making a bold statement with your look. We encourage you to personalize the glitter and glam style to reflect your unique personality, allowing your confidence to radiate effortlessly. Ultimately, the Glitter and Glam Makeup Tutorial empowers you to view makeup as an art form and a means of unleashing your inner star. It's a reminder that makeup isn't just about enhancing your features, it's about expressing your personality and celebrating your individuality. Armed with the knowledge of glitter and glam makeup techniques and the inspiration of makeup artistry, let's embark on this journey of mastering the art of sparkle and shine. By the tutorial's conclusion, you'll not only have honed the skills to create a mesmerizing glitter and glam look but also gained a profound understanding of how makeup can transform you into a radiant and confident showstopper. With gratitude for joining us on this exploration of glitter and glam makeup artistry, let's seamlessly transition into the world of the Glitter and Glam Makeup Tutorial, a world where technique harmonizes seamlessly with your confidence to create a look that's as captivating as it is uniquely you.